Hi everyone, this is Kathy and Kelsey's at the camera here. Hi Kelsey, can you say hi?
Hi!
Okay, what are we doing today?
Today we're making
A special milk soap, right?
yep, for a baby.
For a baby, and the mother brought us some of her breast milk. So we're gonna make breast milk soap for a really cute baby. And it's a specialty soap that we're doing. Sometimes we take this kind of orders for people that want specialty soaps. So this one is a small batch. It's going to be 2.5 pounds. And breast milk is great for soaps for babies because it has a lot of fat in there and a lot of antioxidants. And the oils and butters that I choose to make this are olive oil, coconut oil, cocoa butter, castor oil. Well, why did I do that? Well, olive oil is very gentle on the skin, on baby skin, and has healthy fats and vitamin E. And it's great for like a cradle cap for the kids. You know, I remember my mom when I was growing up in Italy, they used it for my brother. Just, pure olive oil. It's very, very good stuff. So the coconut oil is very good too. It's very good for the skin, not just adult skin, but also for kids' skin. It has antibacterial, antifungal, and the anti-inflammatory properties. So I think that was a good choice to put it in this soap. And also I used cocoa butter, and cocoa butter is really good for the skin. It has also antioxidant and contains anti-inflammatory properties just like the other oils. And this stuff, what is it called, Kelly? Polyphenols, I think. No,
Yeah.
and they can help soothe this sensitive skin, and it's very good for inflammation, and is an excellent moisturizer, and it absorbs very quickly into the skin. So I don't know if all those properties are gonna transfer to the soap. We don't know, but we want to use the best stuff for the baby. Okay, so the milk is frozen, and we're gonna treat it just like our goat's milk or coconut milk. So we're gonna use the lye in there to make our milk and lye solution. So a little at a time because we don't want to scorch the milk. And I have it in a little icy water bath underneath, so it's nice and gentle. This is a little bit difficult because my bowl here it's too small for the other one, but it's gonna work. And the milk, this is really cool because she put in those little pouches. They were really interesting, really cool. The pouches that she gave me, they were vacuum packed. It seemed like it. I'm not sure, but that's what they looked like. And they're really cool. But I didn't break the milk in a different section over here just because I didn't want to do it. And I think this is gonna work. So we're gonna do this very gently, and I'll come back when it's all melted, okay? Okay guys, we're back, and we melted the milk right here, and it's kind of a little bit of a yellow color. It's just because it's heating up, even if I put it in the ice bath there. Right now is about 64.8, the temperature in Fahrenheit. And let's see, the oils are 81. So, gonna wait a little bit, and we're gonna mix the oils with the lye solution, the milk and lye solution. But before I do that, I am going to blend this a little bit, the oils, because I put in there a little bit of oatmeal, colloidal oatmeal, and a little bit of sodium lactate. So we wanted to blend it up before we do the rest of it. So we're going to do that first, and then we're going to put the lye milk solution in it. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put our milk and lye solution in the oils over here. And before I do that, I want to make a disclaimer because I didn't do that before, but all the benefits that I listed before, I just googled them and I researched them. You can do your own research, but the thing that I want to say that we're not chemists and we're not doctors, so we're just telling you what we found out online. You can research it yourself. I don't know if the benefits are real, but we think they are. But it's subjective, so if you guys want to do your own research, it would be great. But here we go. We're gonna put our milk and lye solution in there. That's very creamy. It's beautiful. And you know what's weird? Weird in a good way. This milk, this breast milk, is really different than the goat's milk. Because actually the nuts smell weird, like ammonia. Usually when we make milk soaps with the goat's milk, that's actually really beautiful. Also very beautiful milk. It just doesn't react the same. So I'm very pleased with the things, with everything here. I was going. It's going really, really nice, and of course I'm bubbling right now. I'm just not paying attention. But here we go. Let's blend it up. And we're not putting anything in here besides the oils and the breast milk with the lye solution, because we don't want to introduce anything else like essential oils or fragrance oils. We want to make a really delicate and gentle soap. Alright, so I'm just going to go and blend it. Okay, so here we go. We're ready to put in the little mold over here. Look how beautiful and creamy that is. And it's very kind of a yellow creamy color. And I think we're going to have probably a little bit more to get a little bar. Now a little small. So I don't think I'm going to texture the top or anything. So there it is. So we're going to wait about a couple of days, maybe 2 to 3 days, and we'll be back and we'll cut it. Hi everybody, this is Kathy and Kelsey again, and we're back. And our soap, our breast milk soap is ready to be cut. Actually, I tried to cut it yesterday, last night. This has been like four days. And it was really soft on the bottom. It wasn't on the top. But the bottom was really soft. It wasn't ready to come out yet. But I kind of forced it out, and I kind of mushed up one of the corner over here in the back. And now you can see over here they come out kind of weird. But that's fine because I can fix that. Not a problem. But it doesn't smell like anything. Does it smell like, what do you think it smells like?
I think it has like a sweet scent because of the cocoa butter.
Yeah, it smells like a kind of little bit faint, like cocoa butter, but it looks beautiful. I mean, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's a light yellowish kind of creamy color. It's a beautiful color. And Kelsey's funny. She said it looks like a loaf of cheese.
Yeah.
It's like
like
cheese.
It looks like Parmesan.
Yeah, well, kind of. But it's very nice, and we're gonna do a ladder test with the shavings or whatever, we're gonna, when we fix it, to see how beautiful, it tests, like if it has enough bubbles, how creamy it is, and all that. Just a little tiny bit, when we clean it up. But anyway, we like it. We're really happy with the way it came out. So let's go and cut it. And of course, there's no swirls in there. It's just natural. There's no colorants, no scent. Doesn't smell, like anything, but just natural stuff. And yeah, as you can see inside, it gelled a little bit, even if I try not to. But it's gonna cure. It's gonna look like what it looks like outside. Now, it's a little bit yellow, but it's gonna change. So, and on another note, I want to say that, what was I going to say? I want to say that I saw some videos online, or some people mixing melt and pour soap and breast milk. And my own opinion, don't do it, because melt and pour doesn't cure. It's already there. You put the milk in there, it's not gonna saponify, so it could get moldy. It can get, you can have some serious problems. So don't do that. If you want to do it, what you can do it the way we did it. Use a lye and freeze your milk. You can go and use the lye calculator. There's so many online. The one that we like to use is Subcock or Brambleberry or Wholesale Supplies Plus. That's a good one too. So these are really good ones, and there's so many more. You can Google it and I'll come up with so many. You can find the one that you like. But you can do that, or you can do what it's called oil and milk together. Like you can put the milk at the beginning with your oils, with a liquid, and when it's liquid, the oils, and you can mix it in there. You have when you do that though, you have to discount your milk. Well, let's see, you use 5 ounces of milk, and and your lye is like 20 ounces of lye water, like water, so you can do the discount there. Sometimes I do that, or you can just do your discount when you do your calculation. If you're familiar how to use a lye calculator, then you can do, like, instead of do a 38% discount, you can do 30 discount or 25. But if you're not experienced, please don't do that. Just look online for a recipe that gives you, like, any milk recipe. You can use breast milk with that. Like you can want to do like a goat's milk or regular milk. You can do that. But of course, I'm just saying, you have to be experienced and know how to make soap, like cold processed soap, because sometimes you can mess up. So it's not for everybody. You need to have a little bit of experience. But I mean, if you have a friend that knows how to do it, or you can go online and, look at tutorials, and that would be perfect. If you guys want, I can make, maybe we can do a little recipe with goat's milk next time, and, give you the recipe, so maybe you can do it. We'll want to do the easy way, the milk, the milk and in the oil recipe instead of this kind. And that's really good too, because you can put it after your trays, or you can put it in before. It depends. I like to do it both ways. It doesn't matter, but it's really nice too. So let me know if you guys are interested in learning how to do that, and I will do a video doing that. And on another note, we still want to do our $50 Amazon card, but we have to reach 500 subscribers. So if you guys subscribe and you're visible, we're gonna enter you in our
drawing.
Yeah, and in our drawing. I couldn't find the word, just like weird. Sorry, I'm a little tired today. Today I worked, so do that, because who doesn't like free gift cards, right? And I'm really happy with this, and I can't wait to give it to my customer, because this is a special soap. Like we said before, we're doing this for a young lady that has an adorable little girl, and she asked us if we could do this for her, and I am so excited. And I have actually other people now being interested in making some more breast milk soap. And the way I do it, I don't just buy the breast milk, and do it. I do it for people that have babies. If they want to have their own breast milk, they want to give it to us, we'll tell her what to do, and they can bring it to us. And what we do, you know, we just make it for their own baby. So if you live in the area here in Washington State, in Western Washington, you live in our area near Puyallup or Bunny Lake or Buckley, we will be happy to make you some soap. We also do custom soaps. So custom soaps, any other custom soaps, you can order from us from anywhere. Just go to our Facebook page or our website. It's not set up yet, but we can get messages, right, Kelsey?
Right.
Or you can email us, and we'll give you a quote with everything. You can choose your own butters and oils, and the sign, and the size. Of course, you have to buy the whole loaf. So if you're interested, please let us know. We'll send it to you. All right. Okay, guys. So I'm really happy with this soap. Like I said before, I can't wait to show this to my lovely lady. And yeah, and if you guys liked this video, please give us a hand and subscribe to our channel. Our channel is a very small channel. We do this because we want to show our customers how we make our soaps. And of course, we like to share our own experience of making soaps with everybody else in the world. So thank you for watching. Give us thumbs up, and like again, subscribe. It helps us a lot. Thank you so much, and I see you guys in the next video.